Intensive subsistence farming rise. Intensive subsistence farming is mainly practiced in tropical regions around the world. These regions generally have a large local population and tend to receive a healthy amount of rainfall and precipitation as well. Subsistence farmers are often from impoverished areas, and farming is the way for them to survive and provide food for their families. In this variant of subsistence farming, rice is grown as a dominant crop to feed the local population. Growing rice is also a labor intensive activity, thereby helping to provide ample employment opportunities for the locals. Many Southeast Asian countries tend to practice this type of farming, relying on human and animal power in order to boost their overall productivity. Intensive subsistence farming, millet, wheat, the other variations of intensive subsistence farming involves the same principles of agriculture without the reliance on growing rice in the farmlands. This is specifically conducted in regions where the rainfall is not enough to grow rice but can support other crops such as millet and wheat. Apart from Asia, this method is also applied in Africa, Central America, and the Middle East. Shifting cultivation. Farmers in tropical regions often utilize shifting cultivation to maximize their output. In this method, a plot of land is made suitable for farming by clearing an existing patch of forest using the slash and burn technique. The land is then farmed for a few years until the fertility of the soil has declined considerably. Once the land becomes unsuitable for farming, the same technique is applied to clear and utilize another patch of forest cover. Many regions in Southeast Asia continue to practice shifting agriculture, and grain crops are primarily grown using this method. Shifting cultivation, however, has a negative impact on the ecosystem, which is why environmentalists are trying hard to dissuade farmers from practicing this method. Commercial plantations.